video back at you at the end of the day. Quick little video, show you what's going on here. So, Mike, whoa, got the fender all done. Look at that. You'd never know, would you? And there's no body work there. Just weld up the fender. Doors had the wrong holes in for mirrors. He welded all that up, got those fixed up, proper holes drilled for the mirror. This door was really mangled up. He's got those all fixed up and drilled out for the mirrors. So that is all taken care of. So all the welding on this truck is done. The 79 Scout is done. Sean's already done the bodywork on the rear quarter panels. He's put them in first primer. So now it's Sean's truck. He can start on that. Mike's going to be, he worked for an hour today on this car. He was playing around with some of the mounts underneath, but he's going to be back on this tomorrow. So next couple days he'll be working on this, Wednesday, Thursday. I finished off the Mustang, and I also went and took this, was it 58 or 59? 58, I believe, International, and I got the steering box out of it today, column and box, and that was a bit of a chore, I tell you. I didn't realize it because the box actually, I don't know if we can see this, if I can open this, yeah, maybe. The box, I don't know if you can see down in here, but it doesn't, anyway, you can't see. It doesn't bolt into the frame like a normal box. It has a bracket and it bolts over top of the frame. So I just unbolted it all, took everything off inside, got the wiring out, went to take it out. I couldn't get it up because the inner fender was in the way. So I had to unbolt half the inner fender, pull the inner fender away, get it out. Oh, it was a chore. Take off radiator hoses, a bunch of stuff, but it's out. So the only reason I wanted to get that out today is because tomorrow I am off to pick up the steering column. Which one am I picking up tomorrow? I can't remember. For my Model A steering box. I'm picking that up. So now I can pick one up and drop one off. And in the meantime, I'm going to get the tranny all serviced underneath, new gasket and that kind of stuff. I got to look into this. I'm not certain. I know, I don't work on these Internationals, so I don't know they're all the same to me, but it could be factory. I'm going to do some research tonight, or maybe one of you guys out there will know. See this? See there? Does that not look bent to you? And then again down there, it looks bent to me. Now I know on the Ford pickups they're perfectly straight, but that looks like it's bent. I'm going to look up and see if they even list a new one, and if they do, if it looks straight or not. But definitely the problem was in the box. The truck, you just couldn't steer it. You couldn't move it. Even if you're, I know it's Armstrong steering. I'm used to that. Everything I drive is Armstrong steering. But when you even had this thing rolling down the road, moving, you could not turn it. You had both arms just lugging on it. And of course, when I got the box out, there was this play everywhere in the shaft. You can pull the shaft in and out, and when you turn it, when the box is out, it's stopping, it's grinding, it's getting stuck. Unreal. Sean's in here. And he is masking off my Model A because guess what's happening? I'm going to be Raptoring it underneath tonight. That's right, not a Sunday fun day thing, but a Tuesday night thing. There we go. Oh, you got her all wrapped up like a Christmas present. Yes. That's all you need, isn't it? That's good enough. It's good enough. So tonight's the underneath, and then tomorrow night's the inside. Perfect. And you're working on the hood for the 72?
Yeah, we'll, if you get a minute, we'll just lean it up against the wall.
Okay.
And I can keep going.
Okay, I'll put this away, and let me put this away. Okay. So there we go. The Mustang's all together over there. Yeah. The Mustang's all together over there. Done, finished, covered up with the blankets. The only thing that's not done is the interior and the outside door handles. The owner's getting new ones. He decided at the last minute to get new ones, so it's going to be leaving us. I'll definitely give you a video. I'll definitely give you a video of it before it goes. But I worked on that sucker, man. Remember, the video came up last night. Well, I was out there last night till 9:30. No lunch, no dinner, worked straight through. Just worked away on it, got it done, got it finished. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Fired it up today, ran like a dream, made sure all the lights worked, make sure everything worked. The only thing, unfortunately, we can't do with this car, which I gotta let the owner know, is he's not going, no interior in it, no seats, no nothing. We've never driven this car. It's had a wheel alignment. Everything is new. Suspension, engine, tranny, brakes. The brakes work good around the yard. The clutch works good. I just don't know how it's going to be going down the road. So, you got to make a note on the bill that, hey, we weren't able to test drive it. If there's any glitches, let's bring it back and let's see what's going on. But it should be fine. with that being said, I'm going to get out there and undercoat my car and give Sean a hand moving the hood. And maybe I'll come back and continue this video and show you what my beast looks like underneath. Okay, I sprayed the bottom of my Model A. I'm going to say it's a hair, just a hair lighter than it should be. And the only reason is I never factored in, but it's okay because I'm not concerned, because when it's actually mounted on the frame, it's going to be so dark under there and shadowing you would never know, because you can't compare this color to the body color because this is just on the floorboards. But it's a hair lighter only for the fact that the Raptor I use, the tintable Raptor, is white. So I mix my blue base in there and then the hardener. And of course you add white to my blue base, which is almost black. It lightens it up a bit. I tried to add a little more blue, but it's okay. I'm happy with it. So, I mean, you can see, I don't know if that looks black to you or not. I don't know how dark that looks to you. See, like up here, the lights on it looks more lighter. That's not what it should be. But like I say, when you do look under here, you tell me, you guys are the ones watching this video, does it look like a... To me, it should be a little bit darker. But like I say, it's only because I had the white base. I should have stopped, but I only needed one mixed up for this. It's very small underneath, so I'd already mixed it and started spraying, and I wasn't about to start over. But I don't care. See, look how it looks black under here when you look. And like I say, when it's on the frame and it's down, you will never tell if it's a shade off from the exterior. There she is. She's all Raptored up. So now, tomorrow, we'll unmask it and we'll mask all the other bullshit up, and I'm going to Raptor in here. But this I'm just going to do black. That's it. So we'll get all done in here. Good sound deadener too, in my opinion. That's it. That's it. Let's shut the lights down. We're going to leave the door open because she's a bit stinky. And there is my 31 coupe. She is coming along nicely. And we are actually, which I tell you, you got to look forward to, Thursday night we're starting to paint all the bits and pieces. And then you'll see the true color. So Thursday night we're going to start painting all the small bits. What we paint? We're painting the headlights, all the window moldings inside, the window frame that goes on the outside, all the door moldings, the grill shell, everything. So it's going to look awesome. Can't wait. So, with that being said, I'm going to sign off now. I'm going to tell you all, it's a hell of a good time at Old Time because everything's coming together. Things are getting done. We're almost damn well caught up. Thank God. And it's just, wake up every day and I'm happy to go to work. Before I was stressed, but now we are getting caught up. The sun is kind of coming out, which is helping out, and that's it. So big hell yeah! Old Time Garage. See you later.